Welcome to Mon Kala Ko Cho. Hope you enjoyed this brilliant time-lapse montage. We are almost at the Thailand-Myanmar border. The handwritten board that was in the video earlier was written in some local Burmese language. We did not anticipate that it would take us so much effort to reach there. This is a beautiful campsite and a wonderful location to take star time lapse. This is located far from the cities as well as high up the mountain. Unfortunately for us, it was almost a full moon day and the Milky Way was right behind the sun. I started to scout around the place for the best view of the sunrise. This place is very accommodative and they do have a toilet for the campers. This also is a place to witness the spectacular sea of clouds. Over the time in the time lapse, it feels like the sea of clouds is flowing like a river. We will be able to see the mist forming over the cities and between the clouds, and we could see all the peaks covered with mists. What an amazing view. Here I'm filming the moon setting between two mountain peaks. When the moon was almost at the horizon, I could see a streak of golden brown light all across the horizon. This then momentarily turned black before the sunrise. I was able to capture all of these. You will be able to see the transition clearly in the time lapse. It really was an astonishing moment. This was a night I would never forget. This video was made possible by my amazing wife. She did a wonderful job in driving through this mountainous terrain effortlessly. A four-wheel drive truck is highly recommended for this terrain. Even though we just had a two-wheel drive truck, she was able to drive through it. Enjoy the time lapse of her return journey. You would see at one point of time we would be entering the misty mountainous region. This journey was undoubtedly surreal. Thanks for watching, and we will be back in the next video.